Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to view your statements on the Nationwide app in 2025. If you're a Nationwide customer, managing your finances has never been easier with the app's updated features. Whether you're checking your monthly transactions or preparing for taxes, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Nationwide app installed on your smartphone. Head to your App Store, search for Nationwide Bank, and download or update it if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your username, password, and any two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a great habit to keep your accounts safe. Now, once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen. Look for the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This will display a list of your linked accounts, like your checking, savings, or credit cards. Select the account you want to view statements for by tapping on it. Next, scroll down on the account page until you find the Statements section. In the 2025 update, Nationwide has made this super intuitive with a prominent button labeled View Statements. Go ahead and tap that. You'll then see a list of available statements, organized by month or year. Choose the statement you're interested in. It might be the most recent one or an older one. The app will open it in a readable format, where you can swipe through pages, zoom in for details, or even download it as a PDF directly to your device. This is perfect for keeping records or sharing with your advisor. If you run into any hiccups, like the app freezing or not loading, try closing and reopening it, or check your internet connection. Nationwide's in-app chat support is also available for quick help. And there you have it. Viewing your statements on the Nationwide app is straightforward and secure. This feature puts you in control of your finances anytime, anywhere. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.